Have you seen Nano Banana yet? It's the new AI image model topping the leaderboards for both image editing and text-to-image generation. If you haven't used it inside NightCafe, you are missing out on next level edits. Okay, so what's up everyone? It's Cassandra here. Today I'm diving into Nano Banana, how it works, what makes it so powerful, and how you can use it inside NightCafe to make your photos look like stylized 3D figures, swap backgrounds with your selfies, make multi-turn edits, and so much more. Okay, I'm here in the NightCafe Studio. This is where we're going to select what model we want to use. But before we get into actually using Nano Banana on NightCafe, I would love to get you guys some background on Nano Banana. Nano Banana, officially Gemini 2.5 Flash, is Google's latest image model, known for strong editing skills, subject consistency, and amazing transformations. So it's been going viral because people are turning selfies into realistic 3D figures, they're blending scenes, changing styles. And Nano Banana does this while keeping the core identity of the subject intact. So that means keeping your face looking normal, making characters look the same throughout generation, and just things like that that were a problem before for AI creators. That I don't really know if many models besides Flux Laura's or like these are trained models that you have to feed multiple images to, you have to curate what images you give it. This was the only way that we could do this before. But now with Gemini Flash 2.5, the option is there and it's great. It's easily accessible in NightCafe. I've seen online that there are still some creators that are struggling to get clean results, struggling with distortion and losing quality after editing with Nano Banana. But I'm just gonna go through that and show you how you can use it, how to avoid those problems. So let's get right into it. I'm here, like I mentioned before, in the Studio Create panel. So how to get here? First, you're gonna go to NightCafe Studio and then make sure you hit the Create button in the top right corner. We're gonna get to this Studio panel. And in this Studio panel, you're going to see Browse All Models. You're gonna make sure you wanna click Gemini Flash 2.5. It is a Pro model, so you will have to be a Pro subscriber, but there might even be some freebies that we give out and that gives you the chance to try it for free. Here we go. But now it's highlighted in blue. That's how we know it is selected. So for the sample prompt, I'm just going to go to Shuffle, which gives me a pre-written prompt based on stuff I've been generating already. If you're new, it's probably just gonna give you a pre-filled field, and then you're going to hit Create. Okay, this is the image that was generated with Nano Banana, and this is just from text. So I think this looks beautiful. Don't get me wrong, but I think where Nano Banana shines is actually in the editing and image part. So let us clear that. Choose a start image. Lucky for you, I have some already saved. I have quite a few. Let's use this. Let's turn her into a rock star with blue hair. Create. It's gonna give you a warning if you have prompt magic on. Just make sure you actually follow the warning and turn prompt magic off. Like the image editing function in Nano Banana, it's better without prompt magic. So do you want to spend 16 credits? Yes. So each image is actually 4 credits per image, which I think is really affordable considering what it does. So let's just do one image. Usually, if you're just doing one image, it'll just let you go through. Okay, let's see what we got. So here's the first 4 generations, and that was in like 10 seconds, which was very quick. So here she is with blue hair. Yeah, I think these actually came out so good. Like, look at this. This is insane. Every single time I use this model, I'm actually shocked with how good it is. So let's try a different one. Let's turn her into a, let's say, baker in Paris. I don't know what that's gonna look like. Let's see what it looks like. And here she is in Paris as a baker. I have no idea. Maybe that's her sword hidden under the bread. I'm not sure. Let's actually change this prompt to edit. There we go. So this is how we're going to change this on NightCafe. We tap the prompt to edit button, and then here we can add the editing instructions. So change the bread not Brad, bread, into a sword. Edit for 4 credits. Okay, let's see what this looks like. I'm excited to see what turns out. Oh, it kind of got it. It kind of turned the sword, the bread into a sword. It just turned like the stick into the sword. That's fine. I think that maybe that wasn't a clear enough direction. It's just so impressive that everything is kept the same. All the features, all these little details about the original image, like, wow. For another example, maybe let's just choose this image of me. Yes, it's me by my stairs over here. So maybe let's say, put her in an orange jumpsuit and in jail. That's me in jail. Does it look like me? Like, I'm really happy to be there. That's so crazy. Let's put her in an orange jumpsuit and in jail. Sad. I just love Nano Banana for this because you can refine your image as you go. So yeah, you can just iterate, improve with every single generation, and affordably for only 4 credits a generation. I really wonder how my head got through there. Yeah, that's my biggest question, is how did my head get through there? Okay, wow. So here's the original, and then here is the edited version. Me in a jail cell in an orange jumpsuit. And if you can see, like, the subject, me, it remains consistent. The style is dramatic, the background's changed, and there's like no artifacts from the past image. Oh my gosh. What's on the bed? What's on the toilet? I look like, I don't want to know. Honestly, I don't want to know. But yeah, if you just make sure that you're iterating and you choose like a really good image to start with, make your prompts specific in each iteration, then your image should turn out pretty well. Like, there's really no reason to. All the power's in Nano Banana, the model itself. So yeah, easy to use on NightCafe too. But there are a couple of things I should warn you about. So if you push your edits too far, you start losing details. So the more that you use this prompt to edit in each image and each iteration, detail does get lost. So faces can distort, and also there might be some resolution limits. Like, the resolution might decrease as you use the prompt to edit button more and more. The biggest thing is the more specific you are the first time around, the better the result is going to be. Okay, I think that's pretty much it for Nano Banana. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video because it helps us make more videos like this. If there's anything else you want to see or you have any questions, leave those down there too so that I can get to them. Make sure to subscribe for more deep dives into AI art tools, and all those sorts of things. And make sure to give Nano Banana a try yourself on NightCafe. Drop your best results in the comments and maybe share a prompt, because sharing is caring. Why not? So I'll feature some of them in the next video even, because that sounds fun. Great. Thanks for joining us, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.